How to auto-save password in Google Chrome without asking. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can auto-save password in Google Chrome without asking. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open up Google Chrome in your laptop and make sure that you're logged in. After that, navigate to top right corner and click on this three dot icon. That's gonna open up a drop down box. From here you have to make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. For that, click on help and then click on about Google Chrome, and here make sure that your Chrome is up to date. After that, navigate to left hand side of this interface and from there go to autofill and password. Now under this autofill and password, click on the first option, Google Password Manager. Again, under Google Password Manager, if you navigate to your left hand side, there are three more options as password, checkup and settings. From there, click on settings. Once you're on your settings, now to save the password, you have to make sure that the first two options as offer to save password in passkeys and sign in automatically is turned on. If that is turned off, all you have to do is click on this toggle and then it will turn into blue. So once you turn on this two toggle, the Google Chrome will automatically save your password without asking. So this is the way to auto save password in Google Chrome without asking, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.